Watch what happens to the eyes. Can you touch it? Let me see. Show Mama what you got.
Touch the button.
Mama has an idea. I'll turn it on. You turn it off. Oh, did I scare you? Sorry. Did that scare you? On the bus go. Sorry, buddy. Go round and round, all through the town. Up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. You want to turn it off?
Good job.
Good. Touch the button. Lift your hand up and put it down. Good. Yep. Put it back.
You can do it. I know, you touched it. It didn't work. Try it one more time, okay?
You want to turn it off? Is it annoying? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. What? You see the knot? Beep, beep, beep. All through the town.
You realize our house is like a playground, right?
Mm-hmm. Are
You okay?
Turn it off. Off. On. Off.
On.
What do you want? Turn it on. Want what? I see you looking at it. Do you want it on?